Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update ngayong February 1 to 15, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, let's see Capricorn. What's up sa inyo? Energy update for Feb 1 to 15 for Capricorn. Okay, transits, climate, changes. So, merong mga changes ngayon sa inyo, sa life nyo, in general. So, maaring may pagbabago ng career, pagbabago ng isip, pagbabago ng trabaho. Oo, pagbabago ng bahay, o may 4th house dito. Or maaring dumadaan sa pagbabago, yung home life ninyo, yung family life ninyo. You may be letting go of a family member. You may be letting go of an old house para tumira sa bagong bahay. Okay? First house, which is about yourself. Your being, your whole being as a person. So, meron ka ring changes na gagawin sa physical appearance mo, sa sarili mo, enhancement, ganyan. Pwedeng surgical, pwedeng non-surgical. Yung iba, sa hair lang, no? May ayusin kayo sa hair ninyo. But this is also about your pananaw sa buhay, pagdating sa family, pagdating sa iyong foundation sa buhay, no? Nagbabago yung iyong perspective in life. So, what is your overall energy? First half, you have, the Death card, transformation. This really makes sense. Ending a cycle, ending a situation, and then starting something new. This is rebirth, death and rebirth. What is the Death card? Justice. Oh, I think makukuha mo na yung justice na dinideserve mo, or maaring merong mga desisyon. Meron kang mga desisyon na gagawin na sa tingin mo, ito yung makakabuti para sa lahat. This can be ending a relationship, ending a connection, ending a job. Okay? So, let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Capricorn? The Ace of Wands. Ang challenge sa inyo is yung bagong simula. Pwedeng yung transitional period na yan. Bawa, lumipat kayo ng bagong trabaho. Syempre, challenging pa sa iba yan dahil gagamayin mo na naman, no? Yung routine dyan sa trabaho na yan is iba sa naging trabaho mo before. You also have the Empress. So, some of you, medyo nagiging challenge sa inyo kung paano kayo maging productive. Pwede kasing merong mga distractions sa paligid ninyo. Sometimes you feel like you're not good enough. Alam mo yun? So, that's why itong mga changes na to na gagawin mo ay para sa i-improve mo no? And sometimes you need to let go of something na sa tingin mo hindi na nakakatulong sa'yo. Or talagang it's just stressing you out. With the Empress card, some of you pwedeng magkaroon ng challenges kung kayo'y buntis or merong buntis sa family, pwedeng magkaroon ng challenge sa pregnancy, so be very careful then. Okay. Let's see your opportunity. What is the opportunity? You have the Judgment card and the 7 of Swords. So, ang daming judgment, karmic energies to for you. Ito yung tinatawag na you reap what you sow. So, kung ano yung tinanim mo, yun yung aanihin mo. I also see you seeing an opportunity to know, no, kung sino yung mga totoo sa'yo. Kasi meron ditong hindi maganda yung intentions towards you. So, minsan, kapag nalalaman natin yan, no, parang nakakagulat or parang nakakadismaya, no? Na someone you have trusted and then you realize na this person pala is against you or binibetray ka. But I think itong para siyang eye-opener sa inyo. So that is the opportunity for you to know the true intentions, yung totoong intention ng ibang tao sa inyo. So let's see your blessing. Ano yung blessing ng mga Capricorn? Wow, 10 of Pentacles. As a blessing, money is coming in. Financial abundance. You have the Queen of Wands. So if you are into the creative side, no, you're very creative, you will get money from your creativity. So kung ikaw ay nagbabalak na gumawa ng mga bagay, no, serbisyo, produkto na gusto mo siyang i-monetize, pagkakitaan, there's nothing wrong about it. Kasi yun nga, kaya nga tayo nandito sa mundo rin no, to learn and also to experience abundance sa pamamagitan ng ating mga talento. Yung binigay sa atin na gifts ni God, ng universe. So, I think you're going to tap into that. Initiations, be open through this transitional time. So, meron talagang changes sa inyo ngayon. You're experiencing change in your home life, your family life, or even your career. And then, wow, may ladybird. Oh, may good luck sa inyo, Capricorn. All of your manifesting positive thoughts and visualizations have been heard. So, if you are a type of person na mahilig mag-manifest, just i-continue mo lang yan. And talagang believe in the power of manifestation. I-visualize mo what you really want. Kasi ito ay ibibigay sa inyo. 'Di ba? May owl. Detach your emotions from situations that you cannot control. This makes sense. So, minsan kasi we still hold on to something, naapektuhan pa rin tayo sa mga bagay na wala naman tayong talagang control. So, sometimes mahirap to. But for Capricorn, it's easy to detach your emotions sa mga bagay na hindi nyo kayang kontrolin and focus on what will make your life better. Kasi nandun talaga yung luck para sa inyo. So, in terms of finances, meron ditong blessings of finances for first half ng February. Maaring meron kang marireceive na certain amount of money na you've been waiting for. And just continue to manifest. At kung ano man tong mga pagbabago na pinagdadaanan mo, yung naramdaman mong betrayal or yung katotohanan na masakit na katotohanan na realize mo, that's part of the learning process, yung change na mangyayari sa atin. Okay? So, ngayon, enjoy mo, meron kang good luck, meron kang may swerte ka sa manifestation mo. It is going to happen. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.